Effective communication is the backbone of success in network marketing. It facilitates building strong relationships, fostering trust, and promoting collaboration within your network. By clearly expressing your ideas and actively listening to others, you create a supportive environment that encourages team members to achieve common goals. Understanding the nuances of verbal and nonverbal communication can significantly enhance your influence, allowing you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Ultimately, the ability to communicate effectively will empower you to navigate challenges and drive sustained growth in your network marketing efforts. Active listening plays a crucial role in building trust and stronger relationships in network marketing. By truly hearing and understanding your team members and prospects, you show that you value their input and concerns. This creates a foundation of trust, which is essential for effective collaboration and long-term partnerships. Active listening involves paying full attention, reflecting back what you've heard, asking clarifying questions, and responding thoughtfully. By practicing active listening, you foster a supportive and empathetic environment that encourages open communication, leading to deeper connections and a more cohesive network. Clear and concise messaging is key to effectively conveying your message in network marketing. It involves articulating your points in a straightforward and compelling manner, ensuring your audience grasps the core ideas without feeling overwhelmed. Begin by understanding your audience and focusing on their needs and interests. Organize your thoughts logically and use simple, easily understandable language. Avoid jargon and unnecessary details that could confuse your audience. By being succinct and confident, you establish credibility and make your message more memorable, ultimately fostering better engagement and stronger connections within your network. Applying emotional intelligence in network marketing is essential for understanding and managing both your own emotions and those of your network. Emotional intelligence involves being aware of your feelings, understanding how they influence your behavior, and recognizing emotions in others. By developing this skill, you can respond more effectively to challenges, reduce conflicts, and build deeper, more empathetic connections. It also helps you motivate and inspire your team by addressing their emotional needs and fostering a positive work environment. Mastering emotional intelligence ultimately leads to better communication, enhanced teamwork, and sustainable success in network marketing. Nonverbal communication is a powerful tool in network marketing, encompassing body language, gestures, and facial expressions to reinforce your message. Understanding and effectively using these cues can enhance your ability to connect with your audience. Maintain eye contact to show confidence and interest, use open body language to appear approachable, and incorporate gestures to emphasize key points. Facial expressions can convey emotions more vividly than words, creating a stronger impact. By aligning your nonverbal signals with your verbal communication, you build trust, convey sincerity, and make your message more compelling and memorable.